Starting with the name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim, who is the most merciful and most beneficent, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Honorable Chief Guest, respectable teachers, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today it is a great pleasure for me to stand in front of you to deliver a speech on a very important topic, human respect in Islam. Dear audience, man is born with the heart of compassion, which react and according to feeling to follow human compassion, affection, love and care. These are the innate qualities which make human a defined man. Dear audience, Islam is not only a religion, but it is a complete code of life which shows and teaches all kinds of human rights. There are a lot of human rights in Islam, such as parents' rights, brother rights, sister rights, and so many other rights. Besides these rights of Islam, Islam teaches the respect of humanity. Islam teaches the respect of parents, brothers, sisters, and urban peoples. Besides these, Islam also gave rights to the animals. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Ittaqullaha fi hazihi al-bahaim al-mujama." Oh people, be afraid from Allah about these dumb animals. Dear audience, the word Islam was not discovered in the case of other religion, but this name was given by Allah to this religion and this Quran. Allah Almighty say in Quran, "Inna ad-deena inda Allahi al-Islam." Surely, the religion in the sight of Allah is Islam. Islam teaches the respect of humanity. That's why Allah Almighty say in Quran, "Man qatala nafsan bi'ayri nafsin aw fasadin fil ardi faka'annama qatala an-nas jami'a wa man ahyaha faka'annama ahya an-nas jami'a." That person who kills someone without any reason will concern that who kill all the humanity, and that person who saves the life of someone will concern that who saves the life of all the humanity. In other verses, Allah Almighty say in Quran, وَلَا تَقْتُلُوا النَّفْسَ الَّتِي حَرَّمَ اللَّهُ بِالْحَقِّ. Don't kill even a single body who have a great value in the court of Allah. Dear audience, Allah Almighty stresses great importance on justice and generosity. In Surah Nahl verse 90, Allah Almighty says, Allah Almighty forgive His own rights, but don't forgive the rights of humans until that person personally forgive. Dear audience, the last sermon of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam shows us that how much he stressed on the respect of humanity. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Oh people, listen to my words, that your lives and properties are noble among one another for all times." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said, "Oh people, listen to my words and fix these words in your heart, that there is no preference to black and white and to white and black, and there is no preference to Arab and non-Arab and to non-Arab and Arab. You all are equal in the sight of Allah." Respectable Chief Guest, I would like to end up my speech with these words, that ancient Muslims were used to follow the teachings of Islam. That's why they have respect for each other in their hearts. Why we are not like them? Why we are not respecting each other? Why we are cruel and criminal? Just because of that, we have lifted the golden lessons of Islam and acting upon them. Thanks for full attention.